Today, we introduce to you the building machines that help reduce a significant amount of manual labor. Like this excavator, which has replaced its bucket with a combined excavating and lifting claw, it has greatly assisted the workers. As you can see, this is a road roller, which not only compacts the road, but also has an additional circular blade for cutting the shoulders of the top asphalt layer on the road. Notice to the cutting roller that is installed a little of angle. Its purpose should be clear to you. Wow, a large cutting roller. Its purpose must be for, let's see what comes next. It is used to cut thick layers of concrete, for example. And here is an excavator bucket for digging soil, rocks. If humans were to do this job, it would take a lot of time. Oh, he's operating the earth excavator. He's not inspecting the bucket anymore. It's really useful. This is a type of drilling excavator head for soil and rock. It is used for tasks like this. Which machine do you like the most? Please comment below to let us know.